as I take on the challenge of folding the perfect origami crane for the first time. Let's see if I can nail it. Welcome to this easy origami crane tutorial for beginners in 2024, where you'll learn a simple yet beautiful paper folding technique. Many people think origami is too complicated, but the truth is, it's all about breaking it down into manageable steps and being patient with yourself. Origami is an art form that requires a bit of dedication, but trust me, the end result is totally worth it. With practice, you'll be creating intricate designs and impressing your friends and family in no time. The key is to start with something simple, like this crane, and gradually move on to more complex designs. So, if you're ready to get started, let's dive right in. Origami is not just about creating a beautiful piece of art, it's also about the journey, the process of learning, and the sense of accomplishment you get when you complete a model. So, don't be discouraged if your first few attempts don't turn out perfectly, it's all part of the learning process. With this tutorial, I'll guide you through each step, and before you know it, you'll be folding like a pro. One of the most important things to keep in mind when it comes to origami is the quality of your paper. You want to use paper that's heavy enough to hold its shape, but not so heavy that it's difficult to fold. I'll be using a square sheet of paper, which is the traditional size for origami models. If you don't have a square sheet, you can always use a regular piece of paper and trim it to size. Gather your materials, and I'll guide you through each fold, explaining the process clearly so you can follow along effortlessly. Make sure you have a flat surface in front of you, a square sheet of paper, and a bit of patience. That's all you need to get started. The first step is to fold your paper in half, creating a crease in the middle. This will help you find the center of the paper, which is crucial for creating a symmetrical design. Take your time, and make sure the crease is sharp and crisp. Next, open the paper back up, and fold the top right and left corners down so they meet at the middle crease. As we move through the tutorial, I'll be explaining each step in detail, so don't worry if you're not sure what to do at first. Just take your time, and follow along with me. Remember, the key to origami is patience and attention to detail. If you get stuck, don't worry, just rewind the video, and try again. The next few steps are crucial in creating the base of the crane. You'll be folding the bottom half of the paper up towards the top half, creating a compact triangle shape. This will eventually form the body of the crane, so take your time, and make sure the edges are aligned properly. The key moment will be when you see the crane taking shape, showcasing the transformation from a simple piece of paper into a delicate bird. It's an amazing feeling, and it's what makes origami so addictive. As we get closer to the end, you'll start to see the crane come to life, and it's an incredible sensation. Take your time, and carefully fold the neck and head of the crane. This is the most delicate part of the model, so be patient, and make sure each fold is precise. As you fold the wings and tail, you'll start to see the crane take shape, and it's an amazing feeling. Remember, the key to creating a beautiful origami crane is patience and attention to detail. Don't rush through the steps, and take your time to make sure each fold is precise. With a bit of practice, you'll be creating stunning origami models in no time. To wrap up, we've successfully created an origami crane, and you now have the skills to impress your friends and family. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to check out my other origami videos, and leave your comments below on what you'd like to learn next.